A control cabinet contains a huge amount of different products for multiple functions. The main approach of CompleteLine, considering the products, is to standardize the main characteristics of the portfolio to simplify all process steps. The success of this is visible. Take a look at this terminal strip. It is completely consistent in terms of optic and haptic, even though it contains products for the most versatile functions. But that is not all. CompleteLine products can be assembled with uniform accessories. More than 3,200 articles appropriate for the same marking material. Further, you can connect approximately 2,600 articles with FBS bridges. Moreover, you can use standardized testing accessories and DIN rail connectors. These common parts for the accessories reduce logistic costs and enable a faster installation because of the well-known handling. Gordon, all components on this DIN rail are equipped with push-in buttons. What is the main advantage of that?
The main advantage is that push-in is a fast and toolless connection technology, and it offers the possibility for automated wiring in the future.
With more than 10,000 articles, CompleteLine contains technologically leading products for all functions and applications of modern control cabinet building. The systemic character of all components provides important advantages like reduced overall production costs and a faster installation. You want to find out which innovative CompleteLine products cause a difference for your control cabinet and why? Then do not miss our YouTube videos.